Hi everyone, I'm Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we will be discussing the 12th kind of adjective that is known as denominal adjectives. What are denominal adjectives? That definition we will discuss and talk about it. Definition is when a noun modifies another noun is called denominal adjective. Now, one thing should be in your mind. If you remember, we learned about, uh, you know, compound noun. Clear? What were the compound nouns? That I will mention the link in description box in order to make you understand that what actually they are. Clear? Now, when two or three words are combined together to form a new word in a vocabulary are called compound nouns. And when any noun modifies another noun, then it is called denominal adjectives. Why it is called denominal adjective? Because it is adding one word is adding something in the meaning of another word. Now see, over there, one thing is there. It is what compound noun together. And what is compound noun? When two or three words are combined together to form a new word in a vocabulary are called compound nouns. But here there one condition is there that there must be two nouns. Why? Because one noun modifies another noun. So the first noun which is modifying the other noun is called adjective, and it is called which adjective? Denominal adjective. See, summer is adding something in the meaning of dress. Completely it is called compound noun. And when first noun is modifying the second one, the first one is called the modifier, so you will call it denominal adjective. In the same way, children hospital is your compound noun, but children is your denominal adjective, which is adding something in the meaning of hospital, that in this hospital only children are treated. In the same way, this dress is only for summer. Now see, lab are many, but computer lab is known as your compound noun, and computer is adding something in the meaning of lab, that this lab is just for the computers. See, room are many, like I say, dining room, dressing room, or there all examples are given in compound noun that I will share with you in description box. Clear? Here, class is your noun which is modifying the second noun, and that is adding something in the meaning of room, that it is a room, but classroom where we study, dining room where we sit with the guests, and in the same way, washroom, guest room, etc., that is known as your compound noun. Next example, we have got hospital. Hospital for what? Now see, kidney. Or there we have children. Here we have got kidney hospital. Only where kidney and bladder is being treated, that is not called known as that denominal adjective. So there kidney is adding something in the meaning of hospital, and that is called your kidney hospital together is called compound noun. But when kidney adds something in the meaning of hospital, then that is called denominal adjective. Why? Because first one is modifying the second one. So hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.